it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York with a little bit of an update with the 68 GTO. So guys, check it out. But before you do that, hit that subscribe button. Check out all my classic car videos. I find classic cars all over Long Island, New York. This one we've been chasing about 15 years, and my friend Jimmy worked the car deal out, and it's pretty awesome. But it's a 400 car, matching number his and her shifter. So check it out. It does need full restoration. We just got the front wheels to move. But here it is, guys. The car is for sale. If you're open to it, you can call me at 631-620-1046. There's the data plate. Okay, the VIN number is 242378G188567. 242378G188557. Jimmy's in the back there working on those rear tires. The tires do hold air except one of them. Here's the interior. Buy this car, you may need a tetanus shot, but so we cleaned some of it out. We're gonna clean more of it out, but got air in the rear tires. Oop, just kicked that. Here's the trunk, guys. It is pretty rotted. Fortunately, it's gonna need a whole trunk pan. Frame is rotted in the back. Rear rail, it's because the water came down, but needs a full restoration. But it is a 68 GOAT. There's all the parts that we're taking off of it. We do have both front and rear bumpers, grill. We'll get it all tidied up together. There you go. Get the rear wheel off. We're going to get a new tire on this. 68 GOAT convertible. Well, not convertible. What am I talking about? GTO. Needs full restoration. Here's our shifter. 2-owner car. It's showing 43,000 miles. I'm sure it's 143. But maybe not, because it's been sitting here at least. How many years do you think it's been sitting here? I know about 15 at least. Nah, original green car, a black interior. So could be 143, but it's gonna need a full restoration. And it is up for sale. You can reach out to me again, 631-620-1046 for more information. Again, Jerry Metalman Battaglia, 68 GTO project car. So guys, like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be taking more and more videos of this car. Front tires do move. Working on the rear right now. Steering works well, but it's going to need a full restoration, guys. Alright, hit that subscribe button again. Like and share my videos. See you later.